Uganda Police Force has undertaken deliberate measures towards securing the general elections. I want to encourage all political actors and citizens to exercise their rights responsibly and to respect the rights of others. The laws of the country are not in abeyance during the electoral process. All political activities must be within the confines of the law. We remind the public that acts of electoral malpractice and activities that contravene traffic regulations, inciting violence, hooliganism, computer misuse, destruction of property, and spreading false information will not be tolerated. I want to call upon all Ugandans and those whose responsibility it is to relay information to observe accurate and respectful reporting. Avoid disinformation and misinformation. Once again, Uganda Police Force reaffirms its responsibility to safeguard the electoral process by working collaboratively with all stakeholders. Let us remain vigilant and guard against negative elements that may orchestrate criminality in the electoral activities.